Okay, fourth graders, let's go ahead and let's learn how to add some more slides to our presentation. So let's go to our file. We're going to go to Start. We're going to go to Computer. We're going to go to the fourth grade drive. And then we're going to go to either Nabalski or Hoffland. So we're going to go to Mrs. Hoffland's. I'm going to go to Animal Research. This time I'm going to use the Wisconsin Badger. And as you can see, I need to adjust my screen, so hang on a second. There, now you can see everything I did. So here's my title. And remember, I can do a lot of different things that I learned how to do in Publisher. I could insert pictures. I can even do online pictures, which is really cool about this. I can search, and I could probably do a badger here. And that's the one picture it comes up to, but I like to save the pictures I like. And it does let you, if you see online, it does let you do a Bing search, but I don't always trust that, so let's not use that one. We'll practice getting our own. So once again, you can insert your own pictures. And remember, under Format, I can do a lot of different ideas. I can, make rounded corners. I can do kind of a frame on it. I can do different color borders, like maybe red because it's a badger. I can do a lot of different things, but we're not there yet. And remember, you can resize it any way you want. You can crop it. And there's a lot of just different design things. You can change the background into black. We can do, if you click on the Format Background, we can go do that too, but let's skip that for right now. Let's just insert some other slides. So here's two different ways you can insert a new slide. You can go to Insert, okay, and you can click on New Slide. You can just click on that, get your new slide. Do you notice how it still stays black? Because your design is that way, and if you don't want to, it applies to all of your slides. So let's try that again. I'm going to go to Insert, New Slide. And another way you can do that is you can go on your slide sorter, and I can right click, and I can either insert a new slide or I can do a duplicate slide if you have a slide that you like. And what's really nice is there's different layouts you can do. I can do different ones that have two sides to it. Okay, so perhaps that's the style I want. Now that's my first slide again because that's where I left it. So what I could do is I can delete these just by clicking and hitting the delete button. If I want to change the layout, once again, I just right click. That's what Miss Anna is doing. And maybe I just want it back to the way it was. So I can once again insert new slide, and if you click on the down arrow, the drop down menu, look at the different menus you can get. But I'm just going to leave it the way it is, but I'm just going to insert a new blank slide. Now this is where I can go, and I can go right click, and this time, because this one's going to be about habitat, and my first one is habitat, so maybe I have habitat here. And once again, you can highlight it. You can change your font to really jazz it up a little bit. Okay, maybe just this box because I want to highlight it. I want to fill the shape. Okay, so once again, I can either go to Insert and just click on New Slide, and it just gives me another same one as I did before. Or I can change the layout by right-clicking Layout, and this time I want to do that one. If I like how I did this one, I can do right-click, and I can do a duplicate slide, and it gives me the same thing. Look at this, two of the same slides. And if at any time I want to delete my slides, I click. Do you see how it puts an active border on it? I hit the delete button. Okay, so once again, a variety of different ways to insert your slides. Now, as always, if I wanted to make changes, and if I did, I want to just hit the Save button. Look it. Do you see how it still says Wisconsin Badger? I don't want to resave it as a new file because I want to keep the same file. So remember, always hit save every so often. And you've just learned how to insert your slides. Either go to Insert and slide here, or you can go on your last slide. And what's really nice too is I can even move my slides around. If I don't like where they're at, I can move around. And then I want to hit save. All right, and then go ahead and X out. All right, so here ends the inserting a slide. Great job. Thanks.